In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use Notion for students and, of course, how to utilize this app for iPhone as a student. Okay, so first of all we need to do is to have Notion downloaded in our device. Now, once we click on Open, it's going to need us to log into our account or sign in with Google or Apple. Let's just choose any of the options, whichever you prefer, of course. Alright, and of course, add your password. Alright, and next, of course, just wait for this to load. Alright, so of course, you have the option to choose. What are you using? What are you using a Notion for? And in this case, I'm using it for myself. And then, of course, let's just wait that to get ready so that I can teach you guys how to use a Notion as a student to actually utilize the application for our productivity use. Alright, so of course, this is going to show us some essential tips we're in. We could actually add a to-do list. We could actually click on Next to see more. And we could also add, of course, a sidebar menu to keep things organized. It could also add some website links, of course, to add some files, of course. And of course, we could also download the app, which we actually, of course, downloaded the app already, which we're using right now. So click on Take Me to Notion. And here we have the application, of course, of Notion over here. A Notion, of course, we could actually head on to add a something for a school. So for example, we would like to add a page, and this page should be for school, C's for school notes. Alright, so click on Return could actually add to continue, and that will be added actually here on our school notes. And if we want to add a subtopic over here on school notes, all we need to do is to click on the plus icon right here, and clicking on the three dots over here will give us the option to undo and redo and delete this page over here. Our Notion, and of course, once we click on the plus icon right here, it's going to add a subtopic. Let's say this is for the science subject, Science Notes. And then we could actually add Science Notes and to do let's just do that, and then we could add some. Of course, first thing that we would want to add is to add a checkbox. Of course, by doing this, by adding a to-do list, you would actually have a more concise and pretty easy to navigate interface on what to do next and what you have done already. So let's add some things to do, like red notes, brain dump on paper, and then add them on Notion. Alright, so basically, once you have done, of course, these to-do lists, once you have done these things that you need to do, all you need to do is, of course, check the boxes if you're done with them already. So basically, just check on that. Check on this one, and that will be crossed out. And of course, to add some notes over here, we could actually add some photos, for example, choosing from our take a photo or video. Click on OK, and then we could add some notes. So basically something about maybe pre-calculus if you might, and then use this photo. And then here we have the photo right here. So basically we could use that as a reference for this Notion project. And then we could add some notes like pre-calculus is pretty easy, and a no-brainer task. No-brainer task, which is not really true because pre-calculus is pretty hard for someone like a student. And basically that's how you do and use Notion and for your productivity. And of course, as a student, you're going to use this for your everyday use. And think of this for watching you guys next time.